Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do the exercise 6.1 based on lines and angle chapter. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, this angle and this angle is equals to 70 degree and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. So we have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Now, first thing, it is given in the question that AB and CD intersect at O. They intersect at O. So now these two angles, this angle and this angle, they will be forming vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle AOC is equals to angle BOD, and the reason is vertically opposite angle. And it is given in the question that angle BOD is 40 degree. Therefore, angle AOC will also become 40 degree. And also it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. It is given in the question. Now the value of angle AOC we have calculated, that is 40 degree, plus angle BOE is equals to 70. We'll shift this 40 this side and it will become 70 minus 40, and that is equals to 30 degree. Now we have got the angle BOE, that is equals to 30 degree. Now we have to find the reflex angle COE. I will find, now see, AB is a straight line, and we know that sum of all the angles in a straight line, that is 180 degree. This angle and this angle will become 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. The straight angle, this is the sum of all the angles in a straight line, is 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle BOE, it is given in the question, that is 70 degree, plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. So angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70 degree, that is equals to 110 degree. But we have to find the reflex angle COE. We know that reflex angle is the angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So if you want to find reflex angle COE, that will be equals to 360 degree minus 110, and when we'll solve it, this will be 250 degree. So the reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree. Now let us do the second question of the exercise 6.1. Line XY and MN. This line XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degree, angle POY, this is 90 degree, and the A ratio B, this angle A and angle B ratio is 2:3, and we have to find the angle C. Now in this, let A and B be 2x degree and 3x degree. Now XY is a line, so the angle, all the angles, this angle POY plus A plus B will be equals to 180 degree, because the sum of all the angle in the straight line is 180 degree. Angle POY is given in the question, that is 90 degree. Angle A is 2x degree. Angle B is 3x degree, is equals to 180. 2x plus 3x is 5x, is equals to 180 minus 90. So 5x is equals to 90. So x is equals to 90 upon 5, and that is equals to 18 degree. The value of x is 18 degree. So now if you want to calculate b, b is 3x degree, that is 3 into 18, that will be equals to 54 degree. Now in the question it is also given that mn is a line, mn is a line, and the ray XO stands on mn. So angle B and angle C, they are forming linear pair, and the sum of linear pair is the angles in the linear pair is 180 degree. So angle B we have already calculated, that is 54 degree plus C, 54 degree plus C is equals to 180 degree. So C will be equals to 180 minus 54, and that will be equals to 126 degree.